Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use SafePal wallet from start to finish. If you're new to crypto, this video is for you. We'll cover what SafePal is, how to create or import a wallet, how to back up your recovery phrase, basic security settings, how to send and receive crypto, how to buy crypto, and how to add tokens. Just before we proceed, if you find our tutorial video helpful, you can support our YouTube channel by buying our educational token, Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. The contract address will be in the description. Now, let's dive right into today's video. SafePal is a crypto wallet that allows you to store, send, receive, and manage your cryptocurrencies. Unlike an exchange, SafePal gives you control of your own wallet and your own recovery phrase. That means you are responsible for keeping your wallet secure. Now, let's set it up. Go to your phone's app store. Open it. Search for SafePal. Make sure it is the official SafePal app. Download and install. Once the app is installed, open it. These three main options will be displayed on your screen. Create new wallet for new users without a previous wallet. Add existing wallet for those who intend to import an existing wallet. And connect hardware wallet for those with the hardware wallet device. If you're new to crypto, tap Create New Wallet. The app will ask you to create a security password. Your password protects access to the app on your device. Choose a strong password and keep it safe. Your wallet is now ready. A mnemonic or recovery phrase will be generated automatically. It is a unique set of words which is your only key to accessing your funds. This key is private and not to be shared with anyone or stored carelessly. Your recovery phrase protects your crypto assets. Tap Backup Now to view. Your recovery phrase is best stored manually, not on any cloud storage for safety reasons. Select Backup Manually. Tick all three boxes and tap Understood. You'll be required to enter your security password, and then the words will be displayed. Write them down carefully in the correct order and keep them somewhere safe. Anyone who has access to these words can access your wallet and funds. Now, if you already have a wallet from another device, from the home page, tap the wallet section at the top. Tap Add Wallet. Then tap Add Existing Wallet. You'll be required to enter your security password and then your recovery phrase. This will import the wallet connected to that recovery phrase and give you access to your assets in that wallet. Next, we would need to improve the security of the wallet. This can be done by enabling fingerprint authentication. Here is how. Tap the Settings icon at the top left corner. Tap Security. Tap Touch ID. Toggle On for login. Verify by entering your security password and then your fingerprint, just the same way you usually unlock your phone. Fingerprint authentication enabled. Now your wallet is safe. You'll henceforth be required to authenticate processes with your fingerprint in addition to your password. Now, let's learn how to receive crypto. Back on the home screen, you can see your assets and wallet balance. This is where you'll manage your cryptocurrencies. To receive crypto, select the asset you want to receive. Tap Receive. You'll see your wallet address and QR code. Copy the address or share the QR code with the sender. The address or code will be used by the sender to send the funds. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your balance will be updated. Now, here's how to send crypto. On the home page, select the asset you want to send. Tap Send. Enter the recipient's wallet address. Enter the amount you want to send. Tap Next. Check the address and other transaction details carefully before confirming. Tap Send. Verify using your fingerprint if activated. Once done, you will be notified that your transaction is successful. Now, SafePal also allows you to buy or sell crypto using traditional payment methods. Let me show you how to buy crypto here. From your homepage, open the Buy section. Choose your payment currency. Enter the amount you intend to buy. Select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Select a payment method. Tap Buy. You'll be redirected to the trading floor. Finally, I'll need to show you how to add a token to the wallet. Sometimes the token may not appear automatically on your homepage. To add it manually, go to the Assets section and search for the token. You may also search using the official token contract address. For instance, searching for Wiki Cat. Here we go. Now tap the plus sign to toggle it on. Back to the home page. It is now visible on the home page. And that will be all for today. You now know how to set up SafePal, secure your wallet, send and receive crypto, buy crypto, and manage your assets. With these basics, you're ready to start using SafePal confidently. Thank you for watching. If you have any question concerning the tutorial video, please put it in the comment section. Do not also forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we post a video. See you in the next tutorial.